This is a log house built a long time ago, and it has absolutely no insulation whatsoever. So we are ending up taking out all this wood that had like a million layers of wallpaper on it. Anyways, we need to take this wall out, but to do that, this wall has to come out because of the way it is angled. It's on top of it. And we were going to leave that wall and put our bed there. But maybe we will put the wood back afterwards. We will see if we can make the wood look all fresh and pretty. But anyways, to make it easy, we are gonna go in what my kids call the tunnels. Stop kicking, please. These are what they call the tunnels. This is more of a tunnel. So it goes to the other room down there. Just a little hideout. This will become like a storage, but to make things easier on this wood and hopefully coming out in one piece, is we're gonna hit on the back side of this, and I'll hopefully pop these out all in one good smooth piece. It needs to loosen them up. And then we'll go to the other side and pull out what nails we can. You're so lucky you can stand up in here. For a little longer, huh? Cobwebs in here. I guess I didn't. Careful.
Caught it.
Then pounding on the back side helped us be able to get nails to pop out so we can pull them. So hopefully we can get the boards down in one piece. We will see. We're gonna do that. Got it? Good job. loosen up any of those ones?
I did not.
Well, that's the little board right here. Get all these ones. I want that.
Open it up wherever you want.
We are possibly going to save this.
Whoa! What?
Kind of pulled that one out, didn't I? Cobwebs because I didn't. Oh, it's a string. Why is there a string? Why the heck is there a string? Oh, look at the string. I thought this is like one of those things. Like, why is there a string? And again, this is the tunnel, and there's my little fat Freddy, my little girl. This is her hideout where she likes to be, away from my crazy boys. Alright. Let's put that thing dry. we are trying to save what wood we can because pretty cool old wood might nicen up. Angle. That's right, there's a this one's broken. But I've been getting crafty lately, so that might be useful for craft. That's Where's your string? What? So this wall's coming out because we wanted to extend the doorway that was here maybe over this way, so the bed there will have more room. There's a wall removed.